Welcome again to another unboxing video. This is the 5th generation Chinese aircraft, which is from, not sure what brand is this. As you can actually see, it's a stealth looking plane. We shall deep unboxing about the contents of it. Right. This is the fuselage, main body of the plane. The detail looks really nice. You got the instruction sheet in color. Decals. The new Chinese roundel looks very much like the American one, but yeah. More loading bays. This is in white color. These are the missiles tires, and you got the insignias for your display. You're even given the display mount. Glass panels, sorry, the translucent parts. Stickers, which is reflective, I would say. And finally, the upper part of the plane. Just to give you an idea, this is the 144 Su-30, and this is the Chinese aircraft, which looks absolutely huge in terms of the comparison. It's almost 1.5 times more bigger. Right. Okay, that's about it. Thank you very much, and goodbye.